Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. We are ready to go. And I'm telling you, it is a record high today. What is the temperature? It says record high. What do we got? 67 degrees right now. It actually does feel very, very warm in this room here. Very warm. Gary, thank you very much for the super chat. Gary, I will get to that super chat in a second here, my friend. Let me fix that. No, I was not constipated. I was on my way home. Let's see. Where is the correct Chrome? What? Where's CoinMarketCap? Airdome Finance. Let's just go to honorarium. Where is this? No. There it is. My gosh, dude. Why was that so hard to get figured out? Let's go to the top of the chat. We got Dark Bro, FIT, chat. Yes, fit chat, man. We got Bender, Dark Bro, Bender, Johnny Quest, Bender, Kombu, Dark Bro, Tim, Dark Bro, Bender, Dark Bro, Kombu, Tim, Bender, Kombu, Johnny Quest, good. What is his name, man? Gnu's. We've got Gnu's. We got Tim, Dark Bro, Kombu, Dark Bro, Gnu. Gnu's, not Gnu's. Gnu, man. Good Gnu's. Moji, Dark Bro, Kombu, Tim, Next Level, Dark Bro, Good Gnu's. We got Dark Bro, Johnny Quest, Sean, Good Gnu's, Moji, Next Level, Dark Bro, Kombu, Sean, Next Level, Tim, Kombu, Next Level, Gary. Thank you very much for the super chat, man. I was driving home. Got home at about 4:06. Scheduled the live for 4:10. And then it was 1 minute late, yes, because the cat was like, I was petting the cat for a second, and then she started biting my hand. So I said, no, and came up here. And that's why I was 1 minute late. So technically, I was slightly later than normal, but it was because I was not home. We got Dark Bro, Tim, and Next Level, J-Bones, baby. What's going on, J-Bones? We got Next Level, Dark Bro, Good Gnu's. We got Gary, Bender, Dark Bro, Gary, Moji, Tim, Next Level, Ken with 2 N's. Where do we go? Moji, Gary, Kombu, Tim, Gary, Next Level, Geoped, Moji, Maurice, and Dark Bro. Thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro says, let's get some of that action. You got it. Dude, it's really warm in here. Really warm in here. So that, oh my gosh, you guys come with this. It's really warm in here. And we got ourselves a unicorn. Moji with another one. Hold on. Freshen up that horn for Moji. Got you, man. Thank you very much, Dark Bro. Thank you very much, Moji. Thank you very much, everybody, for being in here right now. Let's see if the front hair is standing up. Yep, got spit. Nope, it's right here. It's looking good. It's all right. How much of a potential pullback do you see in March in cryptos and traditional markets? Maurice, I am going to go with strictly what the analysts are saying, okay? They are saying somewhere around a 30% decline. Now, you can take that for what it's worth, right? But at these levels, a 30% decline is a $20,000 drop in Bitcoin. It is still going to be above $40,000 or around $40,000 at those levels. $40,000 Bitcoin to me still seems extremely strong. Why? Well, take a look at it for a second, man. $40,000 Bitcoin basically takes us right back to where we were just a couple of weeks ago. Right here. Erase this line. That is still a major bullish level. Going from 15,000 to 40,000 over the course of the year is still very strong. Now, this little rally that took place right here, bringing us up to $57,660, is a very, very strong move over the last 2 days, 48 hours or so. And it could very easily be erased, yes. But if it happens quickly, people are going to panic. But they are expecting 40,000. Okay, I don't know where we would fall back to, or where support is going to hold up at, but now already we've got support at 50. The next level of support down here at about 45, and then below that, yes, there's a lot of support in the $40,000 to $42,000 range. So those would be my levels, just technically speaking. But the analysts and some of the exchange CEOs out there, because of liquidity issues in March, are expecting a possible pullback down to this 40,000 or around that 40,000 level. So take it for what it's worth, man, because right now Bitcoin is laughing in the face of everybody doing nothing but ripping higher. I mean, Bitcoin posting major gains over the last week. And of course, taking a lot of the cryptocurrency along with it, man. Shiba Inu coin a couple minutes ago was just up to 1150, already back down to 1080. So you're starting to see the volatility definitely pick up. Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin crossed that 10-cent level. Bitcoin currently sitting at 9.7 cents. So volatility picking up across the board. Ethereum? Not too much volatility there. Just nothing but straight up gains in Ethereum. And of course, Bitcoin, 56,800 right now, pulling off the 57,600 that we had, but still looking very strong, guys. Dark Bro, I have not had this one in a very long time. I can't tell if this guy's going scuba diving or if he's getting ready to play guitar, but he's I can't tell if he's going scuba diving or if he's about to put on a guitar solo show. But nonetheless, man, I haven't seen that one in a very long time, and I do like that super chat. So thank you very much. Let's see. Tim says, so let's talk about the money we made today. We haven't been able to do that in a while. Let's do it, man. Old man advice. Buy Shib at 800. Sell it 1,000. Zombie coin. Hey, dude, zombie coins, if they like to trade in ranges like that, do it, Tim. Make money where money is to be made. I am actually making some money on the T-Man's coin. Okay? DT, you got that coin out there. I told you guys I bought it last night. And last time I looked, I was still making money on it. Well, I am making money on honorarium. That is a fact. I got honorarium prior to the major run up here, so I'm doing very good in honorarium. Dude, you got to be making money in a lot of stuff right now. I mean, it's doing very well, but ooh, nice. 50% gain since last night. I was watching these guys play last night. Let's see if we can find that candle. We might be able to get on a 5-minute candle here. Had to be this candle right here. So I'm watching it. No, that's... When was it? 11 o'clock? Yeah, it was this candle. It was 11 o'clock last night. Yeah, it was that candle right there. So I was watching this DT coin here, T-coin, and I saw it selling. On this candle right here, I saw it drop down to 18. I started to get in at this level, between 18 and 19, and I was stair-stepping my way in. So I got in. It was about an 800 and some odd change, $1,000 market cap. Started to come back up a little bit. I was still adding. These green candles here, I don't know, but I was probably a part of those green candles adding in. Started to come up nicely, and then boom, dude. Somebody sold $7,000 right here. I don't know if I'll be able to go all the way back in the amounts. Somebody sold $7,000, ripping it from 23 all the way back down to 17. And then very, very quickly, I tried to get in at 17. I know it did not fill at 17. Dude, stuff like that, man, it makes me wish I had a bot or something, because I saw it dump. I started to click the buy button, but dude, it was spinning and spinning and spinning and spinning, and I knew dudes were beating me out like crazy. So I think it filled somewhere in the 2 area. So my average was probably in the middle of these candles right here, somewhere around 4 zeros and a 2. on DT. I got in this like 10-minute time frame right in here, and I don't know, man. I don't know. I will be tempted. I'll just say it since you guys already know. I will be tempted to pull some, either go house money when it bounces back up into this level right here. Certainly if it bounces back up and tests the all-time highs. But, dude, I truly think that this could be the T-coin on the Solana chain that mimics the MAGA 2024 coin on the Ethereum chain. You know, the one that's sitting at a $400 million market, $250 million market cap right now. Sorry, not 400. Yeah, I would love to see this one ripping the same way that Ethereum one ripped. And I'm telling you guys right now, I'm sitting here like, oh, 50% gain. Oh, 50%. Take the profit. Oh, 50%. I want to take it, but I think that it can go higher. So I'm not going to take it just yet. It's going against everything I have right now, not to pull the trigger on that 50. But we'll let it roll for now. I'm good with what I got, so we'll see what happens with it. And those are my resistance levels to really consider. I mean, dude, I would be more than happy to play with house money in this area and then watch it channel back down to here and get in at the $2 million market cap in this area again. I'd rather do that than watch it go up. Oh, I'm doing good. I'm not doing good. I'm doing good. I'm not doing good. I'm doing good. Not doing. You know, I'd rather get out or whatever. If I do think it's going to pull back, it depends on what it looks like there. This channel right now, still very strong channel. So good news is 31 is over 50% gain. 31 is probably like a 58% gain or something right now. Nice. Roth long-term retirement portfolio combined to close the day up 1.17%. Today's top stock, number 3, ABR. Number 2, SQY. And the champion of today's portfolio is, dude, MPW, doing very well. MPW, I think, was at 411 when we looked earlier. Ooh, closing the day at 417. MPW, very, very nice, man. Overall, hey, man, overall, solid moves to the upside. Everything looking green. Amazon, oh, even Apple did end up higher today. Amazon pulling back a little bit. Highcroft, who cares? Mullen Auto, even in the green. So, very, very green day across the board. And crypto having a beautiful day today. So, Frank, nicely done, man. Very nicely done. Calm down, Clay. Don't get too excited. Oh, that 50% gain. Ooh. I'm telling you, man. I wanna click that 50. I wanna click that 50. Well, I'm not gonna do it. I really do think that these political coins will probably get a lot of attention this year, and a lot of money to be made there. And you guys already know I like that kid. He's very active on Twitter, and hopefully he stays active on X, and hopefully he stays active on X. Let's see. 2 million. That's play money for Dork Bro. That is play money for Dork Bro, dude. That is play money for. The thing is, though, okay, you look at Dark Bro's coin. There is a very large difference in that T coin and Dark Bro's coin. This one's sitting on a $1.47 million market cap. There's $166,000 in the liquidity pool right now. I think Dark got near the 1.47 with honorarium, but I think there was like 40 or 50,000 in the liquidity pool at that same time. So honorarium will actually move a little bit in a more volatile way than this coin will, because there's more money in the liquidity pool. So you got to keep that in mind as well. This one does have more in the liquidity pool than honorarium does. Let's see. What happened to 10%? At Moji, dude, I was sleeping. I was sleeping when the 10% gain happened. I was sleeping. That's why the 50 is calling my name. That 50 is just, take me. Yeah, I'll take you. I'll take you right now, man, if you want me to. Crypto is so much less stressful when you play with house money. It is, dude. Crypto's got to be a lot less stressful when you're only playing with house money, which is how that's one of the reasons you can just allow something to run at that point. You know what I mean? You can just allow it to run at that point, and you'll be good to go. I got a little ladybug crawling around this ring light right now. So if you guys see something, you know, giant crawl across the screen, it's because that ladybug's crawling across the camera. Let's see. Hello, Claybro. After your video, I bought Frog with Hat at 0036. It's lost 80% since then. However, I believe that this has the potential for large gains. I'm doing great on Bitcoin, but Shib sucks. Davey. Yeah, you know what, man? I don't even know if you would have been able to get in at 0036 after that video. I don't even know if it went that high. But Frog with Hat definitely back down to major one-day support levels. Frog with Hat sitting here and down pretty big at a $750,000 market cap after yesterday's sell-off. But I really don't know if you would have been able to get in at 0036. I don't think it went that high. Yeah, dude, my video came out right here. My video would have come out right here, so I don't know how you would have gotten in at 0036. It's definitely possible to get in at 0036, right? But my video would have come out on it right here. So maybe you got in on after somebody else's video and a little bit before. I did do a video on it last night after that first sell-off. The first major level of resistance or support has been broken, yes, and now it's trading down in this area right here at a $756,000 market cap. Good news is this is basically below this level, dude, I would be concerned that the team is still in. Because when you put it on the 5-minute chart, you can see this is the level that it started ripping. This is the level that it started ripping from right here at the very beginning on these two major candles with $448,000 driving it to this level right here. And then the third major candle is what ripped it up to that next level of resistance right there with $972,000 being traded on that 5-minute candle right there. So, yeah, between this channel of 0013 and 00078, I would say there is a lot of support. If it falls below that, dude, I would, I might be a little bit concerned about it. But I do like the fact that it's double bottoming here and getting some very large buys at these levels. Clearly, this 5-minute period with $56,000 coming in, I don't know, maybe that was a bot coming back out with a $60,000 sale there. But clearly getting a lot of attention in that level right there. Let's see. Akash! Thank you very much for the super chat. Akash says, sorry. Is it the right time to buy Pepe or Shiba or Bonk? Man, I think so I know Shiba's up like 6 to 10% today. I do not know where Pepe's at. I know Pepe was up like 70% earlier. Dude, it is really warm in here. All right, Pepe is up 49, 50% right now. Must be pulling back a little bit on the day here. Yeah, pulling back a little bit on the day. Wow, 29 back down to 26. So it was up like 70% earlier today. Pulling back just a little bit. But look at the all-time graph here. Getting ready to break. Golly, boom, dude. I mean, even if you were in Pepe at the absolute highest and you stayed in, you are getting ready to touch all-time highs again. Just past that billion-dollar market cap. There's going to be no losers in Pepe here pretty soon. I mean, if you would have dollar cost averaged anywhere, everybody holding Pepe is profitable at this point in time. So, is it time to buy Pepe? Be careful if you do, right? You're buying when there may be no resistance as it breaks out, but you're also buying into an all-time high. Be careful with it, but cryptocurrencies are on fire right now. If you're looking at Shib, dude, Shib hitting resistance at that 1150 level and already pulling back. So Shib coming up, same deal. Pepe bouncing up and coming back down a little bit. Shib hitting 1150, and then of course getting rejected off of it, coming back down a little bit. Sitting in a $6.5 billion market cap, but there is a lot of resistance between 11 and 2,000 points. So I guess it depends on what type of a gain you're looking for there. There's a lot of resistance on Shib right now that you'd have to eat through. And I don't know where Bonk is. Bonk doing very well on the day today. A 10+% gain. Bonk is sitting up 9.90 right now. Wow. Coming up to 1,600 points and then back down to 1,460 right now. So about a 10% decline from its peak right there. Bonk, dude, Bonk looking very strong and getting ready, okay, if it's able to break back up through that resistance level. So all of them are testing resistance, which is a very bullish signal. But if you're going to be buying, man, I would wait for confirmation of the resistance break. Don't let it fall back down on you after testing resistance. I bought after the sell-off, which was right around the time you posted your video. Hey, Gary, that actually, and I don't know if you would have been up on it. There was a time after that sell-off that you would have actually tripled your money in a very short period of time. So I don't know if you got in right around the time that I posted that video or not, but right around the time that sell-off did happen, dude, it bounced back up 3x and provided another opportunity. I think you got to wait for some more people to get excited about it right now. And I know those guys have a marketing budget, so I'm sure that there will be new buyers jumping in on that one. Golly, boom. Frank, heck yeah, man, that's what I'm saying. Pepe was doing great the last few days. Pepe has been doing very good. Kombu, man, what's going on, Kombu? I just bought some Velo today. Hey, Velo's a bigger coin, right? Gary, I think Velo's a bigger coin. I see that around, but I never really look at it. No, okay, so Velo's not a bigger coin. I was thinking of a blue symbol here. Velo, a $38.7 million market cap. A lot of potential on. Ooh, dang, a lot of potential there. What's the? All right, so that coin may have. This coin may have been diluted a lot over the last couple years there. So since November of 2020, it's probably been diluted quite a bit. But yeah, dude, I mean the price action there is definitely alive. But you got to go back. The all-time high in September, October of 2021 was $111 million. So, yeah, dude, you could easily make 3x gains on your money there. Or, dude, if it falls back down, it's already seen phenomenal gains. A $1.6 million market cap to a $38 million market cap. This has performed phenomenally since the beginning of 2023. Wow, that's actually very nice gains there. Hopefully the price has performed as well as the market cap has. Dark Bro! Thank you very much to the Super Chat. Dark Bro says, get ready for the next 10,000x bug with hat. Dude, bug with hat would get a lot of... Like, look at this. You guys don't believe me, right? You don't believe me, but this dude, I promise, this dude is walking right across the ring light. He's walking right across it. And you don't, I mean, he's just right there. I told you I wasn't kidding. We're farmy, Tim. Hopefully still above $1. Let's check it out. Velo Finance. Is this the same thing or no? This one, all right, now I don't know if it was this one or if it was that one. $30 million market cap or an $11 million market. Dude, if you're up 67%, Gary, congratulations on that one. I don't know which one it is that you've got, though. Dark Bro, you're definitely, you know what? If I could put a little tiny hat on that ladybug, I think that we'd actually might have a nice meme coin there. I got to make a tiny little, like, paper hat, and if I can put it on that ladybug and show you guys during the live stream, yeah, that's going to moon. That's going to moon for sure. Dial-Up Survivor. What's going on, Dial-Up Survivor? Glad to have you. Oh, Tim, let's look at Farmy as well. Let's see here. Farmy. Ooh, $1.14. Up 7.5% today. But right back down to $1.10 after hours. Trying to show you. Yeah, Farmy, man. I don't know about this one. A couple weeks ago, Farmy was doing very well to rip up to $5 per share after hours, giving back, what is that, 80%? 80% of its gains there, and sitting at $1 per share. Right back down to test this level of support at $1 per share. Of course, if it falls through that, I'd say 5 cents is your next stop. So don't buy Farmy. I don't care if that's financial advice. That's just advice. Don't buy Farmy. That's not a good stock. Farmy is a scam. Farmy's been scamming people since the day it came out. Clearbro, can you help me with this? Maybe, Sean. Let's see. Can you explain, how does the Bitcoin halving work? If one holds Bitcoin, does that mean I'll receive Bitcoin in my wallet like dividends? Or is that just for, so it's just for the miners, Sean? It's just for the miners. If you own Bitcoin, you are still going to own the same amount of Bitcoin. Let's say you got a full Bitcoin, you're going to have a full Bitcoin after the halving. If you've got a tenth of a Bitcoin, you're going to have a tenth of a Bitcoin after the halving. Your wallets will not be affected at all in terms of the amount of Bitcoin that you own. Now, it does change the rewards for miners. So right now, I believe miners receive 6.25 Bitcoin for every block that is solved. Once the halving takes place, they are going to receive half the rewards. They will be receiving 3.125 Bitcoin per block that they solve. So the miners will receive less Bitcoin as a reward for mining on the blockchain. I would be very careful if you were out there and you are currently investing in Marathon Digital. The price of Bitcoin is doing great, so their stock is doing great. Okay? But after the halving, these guys, their revenue, if they don't spend a ton of money to go out there and buy a bunch of new mining equipment, their revenue is going to get slashed in half. If you're looking at Riot blockchains, if you're investing in them, Riot platforms, if you're investing in them, hey, the price of Bitcoin is looking phenomenal right now. Therefore, the price of Riot is looking great right now. Hitting this double top, though, at about $18 per share and pulling back today. But nonetheless, once the halving takes place, their revenue is going to get just slashed in half. Unless they spend a lot of money going out and buying a lot of new miners. So, yeah, you gotta, if you're invested in these miners, or if you specifically are mining cryptocurrency, you're going to get half the rewards. The idea is that Bitcoin is going to continue going up in value, so you will continue receiving, proportionate rewards over time. But it's only affecting the miners, man. If you're not mining cryptocurrency, you don't necessarily care about the halving, because it's not going to affect your portfolio unless it sends the price of Bitcoin up or down. I'm going to start cow whiff hat, then pig whiff hat. Tim, do it, man. People will buy it. I can almost guarantee you people will buy it, dude. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm, he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a cow and a hat here and a cow and a hat there. Here a cow and a hat, there a cow and a hat, everywhere a cow and a hat. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And he had a duck in a hat. He had a duck in a hat, man. He had a chipmunk in a hat. He had a bird in a hat. He had a frog in a hat. He's got all these animals with hats on. Yeah, dude, you could be very well off. I was looking for my phone to leave this house. Forgot that's where your voice was coming from. Anybody ever just picture, like, I'm in the room with you when you're watching these live streams? Is it like, oh, yeah, I thought Claybro was actually here with me. Nope. He's just on the computer. Nope. He's just on the phone. Nope. He's just on my TV. Because I feel like it's you guys. I feel like you guys are here with me. So I wondered if you guys thought that way. Thanks for clarifying that it was you who followed me on X, Clay. I had people pretending to be you in the past. Dial-up survivor. What is your name on X? You got to make sure that it was me. I don't recall confirming that it was you that I followed. Is your name Dial-up survivor on X? I want to make sure that it is me and not some fake me saying that it is me. Dial-up survivor. That was not me that was following you. So that was fake news, Clay Bro. Confirming to be the real news, Clay Bro. As you can see, I do not follow you. But now I do. Okay? Now I do. The other one, fake news, Clay Bro. The one that just followed you, real news, Clay Bro. So, yeah, dude, block that fake news, Clay Bro. Real quick, please. block the fake news, Clay Bro. I just got the real one. We might be losing it. You lost it a long time ago, Shay Bro. Hey, Clay, Shiba volume over 1 billion today. I highly doubt it, the truth, but let's look. It's close, and it may... I don't think it would have been a little bit earlier. It is close, man. It's $807 million. It's up about 260% right now. $807 million in volume across all of the exchanges that have it listed. So, very close to $1 billion, but it has not yet reached $1 billion. Could get there, though. How about Gala, Clay? Omar, let's take a look at Gala. I haven't looked at Gala in quite a long time. Can you give my buddy Jesse a shout out? He thinks this is recorded. Now, Jesse, why in the world would you think that a live stream that clearly says live on it is recorded? Jesse, a huge shout out to you from me and Mr. Marcus Mills. Jesse, I hope you're having a great day today. Theoretically, this will be recorded later. But it is not recorded right now. Gotta get going! Just a reminder to go watch Shay Bro videos after Clay Bro videos. Shay Bro, Clay Bro, all the bros. Yes. Was that a dial-up cat? It could have been a dial-up cat. Clay, need your help with technical analysis on HODL on Solana. Down bad on this coin. Ray, let's check it out, man. They're my friends, though. Next level, as they should be. Always giving me financial advice. I like it. We got ourselves... Hey, Jesse. It's not recorded, and you got a super chat, man. Jesse's never coming back. Mo G, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Jesse, you got yourself a king turkey right there, man. Marcus, you got to explain the king turkey to him, dude. You got to make Jesse come back. Thank you very much, Mo G. Marcus, thank you very much. Mo beat me to it. Jesse's one of us now. Jesse's one of us now. You guys, you want a recording? Watch this. Yes. As we're pulling up HODL on Solodl. Probably this one. Yeah, I'd say it's this one. Oh, man. Ray, I don't know where you're in at, okay? But there are a decent amount of holders in HODL. Very small market cap at this point, and down 90% from where it was trading over the first couple of days there. For some reason, it looks like you had a decent spike up there today, and I don't know what that would have been. I don't know where you're at either in terms of where you're holding it, but you do have some major support, kind of at the levels you're at right now, 3 zeros and an 11. You unfortunately have some shorter term resistance at 3 zeros and a 25. Tapped it, couldn't beat it, came back down, tapped this level, and I don't know if I trust this wick on here or not, but it's still in that range right there. So beyond that level of resistance, you're going to be hitting some beyond that level of resistance, you're going to be hitting some resistance in this area right here if it is able to break back up. So 3 zeros into 5 will provide more resistance. Finally, dude, the last little leg of resistance that you're going to have is in this right here, in this area right here, 3 zeros and a 9. So I don't know where you're at or what, but you know, looking at this coin, $106,000 in volume is still very good considering how far it's come down. So, you look at these days, 36, 63, 64, 71, 45, 27. It's still doing some decent volume, tens of thousands of dollars a day in volume. So I don't really think that this coin has died out or anything, but it's got a long way to go and a lot of resistance to go. The good news is that it shouldn't take that much money coming in to drive it back up to these levels. It's sitting on $40,000 of liquidity and a little $185,000 market cap, which should easily be influenced if, $10,000 or so starts to flow in. This might jump up to $500,000 or, $750,000 level for the market cap there. What do we got here? We got that for Jesse. Jesse's got another one. Jesse, I don't know if Jesse knows how to eat a banana or not, but you peel that banana, you take the banana, you tilt the head back, you lick the banana, and you stick the banana. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat, teaching Jesse how to properly eat a banana. Remy, man, what's going on? Clay, Shib has been way over my average for months now, and I'm not sure if I should pause my purchases till it drops. If even it will drop. Well, look, dude, if you're increasing your cost basis right now, you would have to feel very confident that Shiba Inu coin is going to go on a nice run. Okay? I am not as confident that this rally is going to continue, only because top CEOs and analysts out there have been saying it's coming back down. I look at that and I say, well, when the heck's it going to come back down, man? You've been saying March, I get it, and it absolutely could start to come back down in March, but, look at this daily, man. For the last, month and a half, it's been nothing but gains. Really, without this little level of kind of consolidation here, it's been an entire year of straight gains with no pullbacks whatsoever. The strength is absurd in Bitcoin right now. And it hasn't translated as well to Shiba Inu coin. But Shib did test a very, very strong level of resistance and was not able to break through it. So unfortunately, we got to pull out a weekly graph. Darn. Unfortunately, we got to pull out a weekly graph to really see the levels that Shiba Inu coin struggles at. And I'm just going to move these up a little bit because we don't really care anymore until we get back down there, or if we get back down there. But this 11,000 or 1,150 point per coin, okay, it is a level of resistance. Tapping it here for, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks back in March, April of 2023. Couldn't break it, dude. Couldn't break it for 7 weeks. Came up, tested it when everybody was excited about Shibarium in August of 2023. Came up and tested it when everybody was excited about Burns in December of 2023. Coming up and testing it right now is everybody is excited about Bitcoin, ripping up and potentially touching new all-time highs. Now, I don't know if Bitcoin's going to get there or not just on this rally before a pullback, but dude, we're close. You look at the weekly on Bitcoin, it's close. We wicked around in this area right here, which is exactly where we're at right now. And the only time you ever broke up from that level is when Bitcoin wicked up during a 1-week period. So Bitcoin simply wicked above that level, has never really sustained above these current levels. So Bitcoin's price is crazy strong right now. Shiba Inu coin kind of seeing that. So if you expect the breakout, sure. Keep averaging in. But if you expect a resistance to kind of hold up because it has in the past, I would calm down a little bit and, maybe continue adding in after either. Dude, I don't want to say this. Don't add in after you fall back down below your average price. Don't let yourself lose money if you are currently making money, right? Don't let yourself lose money. The only reason you would ever want to do that is if for some reason or another, you're committed to the long-term gain and you're you know, you don't want to close out a capital gain for some sort of a tax reason. Yeah, I don't know what that reason would be, but it would be personal, obviously, if you want to report its capital gains tax. But that would be really the only reason you would ever want it to fall back down below your average price. Trusted Taco Bell. Oh, God, dude. Yeah, Tim, maybe, man. Maybe. Let's see. What it did. And you know what, Remy? That is up to you. I certainly would not let it come back down below your average price, though. Craig, I believe sitting idle until the developers are gone. Quite possibly. Pudgy, I don't know exactly what you're answering, though, but Pudgy, glad to see you in here. Is Pepe going to be listed on Coinbase? Gosh, I do not know the answer to that, man. I haven't seen anything written about that. That would just be speculation if I said yes or no. Shib is more detached from Bitcoin than Joy. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, Tim, that might be a possibility, but that's a tough one. Bitcoin running to all-time highs. Shib, not so much. Wouldn't it be nice? Wouldn't it be nice? You know what? Let me ask you right now, okay? Because you guys, a lot of you have probably been holding Shiba Inu coin for years, right? If Shib did run up and touch an all-time high tomorrow, are you selling? Or are you thinking that it's going to rip, 20x, 30x and touch new all-time highs? So if Shib ran up to 8,800 points per coin tomorrow, and you can go ahead and answer. I mean, nobody really cares in here what you do with your money. But are you selling? I'm selling. I'm not going to be sitting there attempting a new bull market with $50 billion market caps on Shiba Inu coin. So, are you selling? Bitcoin coming back down a little bit. Or are you guys going to anticipate higher highs being hit there? Bitcoin looking like it wants to retreat a little bit off of these recent highs. Crypto Rocketeer from 24,000 to 57,000 since October. Boom, baby. Yeah, dude, Bitcoin has been on an absolute rip. Crypto Rocketeer. AMC forever, baby. AMC forever. AMC forever looms in my nightmares. Boo, hey, listen, Pudgy already knows what's happening. Pudgy, how'd you know I was going to say that? Shiba, what is this, LTG? I don't even, what is LTG? If it hits 1,200 in 2045. Oh, geez, dude, 2045. I ain't got time to wait for 2045. Do you believe in Shib? Yeah, Luca. I believe that Shiba Inu coin can absolutely go higher. I mean, I don't believe in, like, Ryoshi and the ecosystem team and all that. We're penny loafers to work. Didn't have 282Ds to... Oh, man. Call Pudgy up. Call Pudgy up. That dude will hook you up. He's got a couple of those by now. Buying 10 Lamborghinis from Shib. Grow wealth together. Dude, if you're sitting on enough to buy 10 Lamborghinis if Shib 10Xs, very, very, very nice. For never. Dude, that's what I get for just trying to read what I thought the... For never is actually... That's a pretty good one, Crypto Rocketeer. I like it. Let's see. Would sell Shib. Yeah. I would sell Shib as well. Are you the only one that answered me, Johnny Quest? Johnny Quest is the only one that answered me. Guys, these questions aren't rhetorical. I'm not just the dude on the screen talking. Interact, please. What the heck's going on with you? Hey, bro, I'm late, but I made it. Suzuki, man. Very, very nice. If you're smart, you get out when you break even. Shib is the pipe dream for noobs new to crypto. Dang, man. Everybody's got to dream about something, though, Tim. Everybody's got to dream about something. Selling Shib at 0005. Oh, dang. So you're 5Xing. Giovanni. All right. Giovanni's got his level in there, and he's not going to let any of you guys tell him different. Giovanni is basically 5Xing from the all-time high that Shiba Inu coin touched. So, hey, Giovanni, I like that you got your number there, man. I like that you got your number. I hope it doesn't take you 2 or 3 more bull markets to get there. But I like that you got your number, man. Okay, bro, there's a price prediction. There's a prediction that Pepe will be on Coinbase this summer. Found a few articles with predictions, and some saying Coinbase is watching it since it was new as of April 2023. Well, hey, good news, man. Look, here's what I think they're probably going to end up looking at, okay? Trading volume. right? Now, we are in a different environment than we were in 2021. Everybody was buying in 2021. It was FOMO and so on. But we could be gearing back up for that. If Pepe gets enough trading volume, I certainly think that Coinbase would be inclined to add Pepe. That's how these guys make all their money, on the transaction fees. Coinbase doesn't really care if you just hold your crypto on their platform. At that point, they want you to, I don't know what they call it there. I don't know if it's Coinbase Earn or what. But at that point, they want you to essentially stake your cryptocurrency. If you're going to be holding it, Coinbase wants you to stake it. Why? Then they have access to it. They can go out there, loan it out, make some money on it, and pay you your return. If you are going to be trading on it, that's when they love you. They're making their transaction fees. So if Coinbase feels like they can make, I gotta take a drink. If Coinbase feels like a lot of people will trade it, I think that they'll be inclined to add it. I don't think they care too much that it's meme coin or anything like that. I think it's going to boil down to volume. As long as the SEC is not breathing down their neck on a bunch of stuff, they might be a little bit more skeptical at that point if the SEC is breathing down their neck. But that's what you got there. I've got a dream. You know what? I think all of you have a dream. And if you don't, you need to get one. Okay? If you guys have given up, what that white speck is. If you guys have given up on your dreams, either go back and get that dream or get a new dream. I don't know, dead serious, man. If you're not waking up excited about achieving something, that's tough, man. That's tough. Go find some dreams, man. Listen to JB. He's got a dream. You can have one too. Chase after it too. Don't just let it be a dream. Chase after it. I'm hodling pennies, and it doesn't make any sense. But Pudgy's on a roll today. 24 dude, it's got to be more than 55 million, no? Is it only 55 million on Pepe? Nah, dude, look, Pepe's at 1.4 billion. $1.4 billion in volume. Pepe's got more volume today than Shib does. 800 million on Shib, 1.4 billion on Pepe. What's up, Tim, Dark Bro, Frank, Crypto Racketeer, Giovanni Outdoor, Smile Emoji, JB Bender, Gary Gnu. I like, guys. I'm up 8.45% overall on Shib. Let's hit some all-time highs. Frank, dude, let's get started. If that's the case, why doesn't Coinbase relist Lunk? Ken, the volume on Terra Luna Classic is actually very low, okay? You know, you look at Pepe doing 1.4 billion. You look at Lunk. Lunk's doing 73 million. Now, the vast majority of that is Binance. $30 million being done on Binance there. So, I don't know if enough people... I don't know if Coinbase could justify Terra Luna Classic. I really don't. And let alone all of the legal problems with Do Kwon and stuff like that. Just looking at volume, I don't know if Terra Luna Classic would be enough. Pepe is down. Well, Pepe's not down right now. Pepe is still up 40% on the day. It's down over like the last 2-3 hours. Okay, bro, so why does the Bitcoin and coins rise after the halving but drop and then rise back up? What are the metric reasons for this? So, Sean, it's more or less a chicken and an egg scenario, okay? Bitcoin doesn't necessarily rise because of the halving. And the Bitcoin halving the Bitcoin halving takes place because the price of Bitcoin is rising. So you think about it from Satoshi's standpoint. When he created Bitcoin, the idea was that over time, Bitcoin would become more valuable. I don't know if he ever imagined that it would be $1 trillion asset or not, but over time, Bitcoin would become more valuable. In the early days, these guys were earning like 50 Bitcoin every single block that they mined, but it was 50 Bitcoin worth $0. Bitcoin was worthless. So then he thought, you know what? Maybe it'll be worth $1. These guys will run their computer for $1 one day, and then I can pay them 25 Bitcoin, and they're going to be happy because they're getting $25 worth instead of $50 or 50 Bitcoin worth nothing. And then as time goes on, they'll get less rewards, but Bitcoin might be double, triple, quadruple in price. Well, dude, here we are today, and you're receiving starting in April, you're going to receive 3 Bitcoin per block that is mined. It doesn't necessarily affect the price, but the price is what affects the halving. The idea is that as Bitcoin grows in price, you need less Bitcoin to mine, or you need less Bitcoin as rewards, because the dollar amounts stay roughly the same or even go up because Bitcoin more than doubles in price. And somehow it is 5 o'clock already. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. AMC. Brandon Olson says AMC is pumping. You know what? AMC is up after hours. All right. AMC is up 5% after hours right now. I don't know if that is necessarily a pump, especially because this is a 50-cent level from pre-split prices. But yes, Bitcoin is up about 5% after hours, which is very nice. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back a little bit later tonight with videos at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Please watch all of those videos. Click the links in the description for the sponsored videos. Absolutely appreciate all of the engagement that you guys provide. I hope that all of you are having a great day today. We'll do the shout-outs, and then we'll be back a little bit later with those videos, man. Jeffrey, have a great afternoon, man. Gary Gnu, see you later. Gary, Tim, Brandon, dial up. Have a great day today. Good news with Gary. See you later, man. Oh, I think with Gary, W-I-F. Gorilla, Ken with 2 N's, see you later, man. Moji, have a great one. Richard, enjoy your evening. Tim, see you later, man. Dark Bro, Gary, see you later. Johnny Quest, Frank, grow well together. Moji, J-Bones, baby. See you later, J-Bones. Have a great one. Already have it. Good deal, man. Suzuki, see you later. Ken with 2 N's. Suzuki, Bender, Giovanni, Master, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me, Marcus? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Timmy! Thank you very much for the super chat. Tim says, Clayton, you were late. You gotta make it up. Darn it, man. Darn it. I was a little late, wasn't I? We'll just split it up. Right? I'll make it up. We'll go 501 for like the next 10 days or something. Tim, man, thank you. I didn't click out early. No. You guys are taking all this in the chat, and I know you're not watching the screen. You guys are behind, and I am here, and those are uncalled for chats right there. Tim, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that. Kobu, man, peace out to you. Moji, have a great one. Tim, see you later. Bender, Zach, Bender, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. And just because Pudgy thinks he's being ignored, never ignore Pudgy. Now you guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.